Welcome back. In this part, I'm gonna teach you some master words that you're gonna need in your daily life in Egypt. I don't know what you call these words, but I really believe that these words are very, very, very master words and very useful words. First word is the word yes. Yes. We call it aywa. 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 Aywa, it's yes. Aywa. Aywa. Okay. Then we have the word no. We call it la'a. 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 Okay? Then we have the word here. Here we call it hena. Hena. Ana hena. I'm here. Ana hena. Ana hena. Okay? There. Henek. 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 Okay? There it's henek. I want for a man. We go like عايز. 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 What about I don't want for a man? مش عايز. مش represent the negative word. Okay? مش عايز. مش عايز. What about I want if a female she's talking أنا عايزة. أنا عايزة. أنا عايزة. What about if a female she's saying I don't want أنا مش عايزة. The same negative word. أنا مش عايزة. أنا مش عايزة. What about the word please? We call it لو سمحت. لو سمحت. لو سمحت means please. But let us take it more deep, okay? لو means if. If. سمحت have the meaning of the word permission. Like, for example, if you give me the permission, okay? But actually it's used as please in English. لو سمحت. لو سمحت. What about the word excuse me? Excuse me. بعد إذنك. بعد إذنك. بعد إذنك. بعد means after. إذنك means your permission. So you can go like after your permission. بعد إذنك. بعد إذنك. Then you complete the sentence. بعد إذنك. What about the word thank you? We call it شكرا. 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 Okay? شكرا. شكرا. What about the word you're welcome? عفوا. 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 So it's شكرا and عفوا. شكرا and عفوا. Okay? شكرا, thank you. عفوا, you are welcome. What about the word sorry? آسف. آسف. أنا آسف. I'm sorry. أنا آسف. أنا آسف. Okay? What about the word love? We call it حب. 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 حب, it's love. حب. What about the word hate? We call it كره. 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 Okay? كره. What about the word boy? ولد. 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 Write it down. Write it down in your notes. ولد. 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 What about the word girl? We call it بنت. 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 B-E-N-T. بنت. Very simple. Okay. What about the word man? Man. راجل. 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 Okay. راجل. That means man. What about the word woman? We call it sit. Sit. You know when you tell somebody sit down. Okay. The same way to pronounce it. Sit. Sit. Okay. Now let us move to some question words. The first word is the word when. When. إمتى. 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 Okay. And the word where we call it فين. 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 فين supermarket. Where's the supermarket? فين. فين. And now let's go to the word how. إزاي. إزاي. The word how is إزاي. إزاي. Then the word who. mean. 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 Who. mean. And the word what, it's a. That means what. Finally, the word why, we call it ليه. ليه, not a, it's ليه. A means what? ليه, I'm saying the L. ليه, it's why. Okay, ليه means why. Okay, that was all for this part. Come on guys, let's go to the next part together and complete going deep to the Egyptian Arabic.